guys, welcome back to my channel, Finish the Race VL, aka Victory Lap. My name is Liz and I am the host of this channel. Hi and welcome back. Before I start on this video, guys, I'm going to ask for you to hit the subscribe button. A few of you have been watching my videos, however, you are not subscribing to my videos. So I'm giving you this opportunity to click the subscribe button. Come on, it's for free. Literally, it's for free. Hit subscribe. And then if you like the content that I'm about to bring to you, hit the like button. And in today's content, I am going to give a reply to a reply comment. Well, let me backtrack. So my brother, who is out there, a fellow YouTuber by the name of Exodus 876, and he just recently did a video on yesterday, and the name of that video was African American Play Victim question mark. Well, in his video, I left a comment and I stated, I said, no, sir, you are not a victim. You are a victor. You're victorious! Explanation point. So he did reply to me, but there was one other person who also replied to my comment that I left on his page. And I'm not going to give the person's name. However, I'm going to read to you what he or she had left in the comment section. Oh, to my a reply to my comment. And they said, "Finish the race. I feel like a survivor, but not a victor." So in today's video, I'm going to reply to your comment and also let you know what a victor and what a survivor is. So stay tuned. First, I want to say thank you to you know who you are, because I did reply to your comment with the link to this video so that you can see my reply. And first, I want to give you the definition of what is a victor. What is a victor? Okay, a victor is a person who defeats an enemy or an opponent in battle, game, or other competition. A victor is also a champion, winner, a conqueror, a medalist, number one, and also a hero.
Who need a hero? Hero. You need a hero. Look in the mirror. There go your hero.
The opposite of a victor is a loser. And you, my friend, you are not a loser. You're definitely a victor. But you said in your statement or your reply to me, I feel like a survivor, but not a victor. Let me give you the definition of what a survivor is. A survivor is a person who continues to live despite of almost giving up and even at the brink of dying. A survivor copes in situations and afflictions and continue to strive through life. A survivor is a person who knows how to manage to live and continue on. A survivor is the evidence of success in life because you're still living, because you did not give up. A survivor is a fighter, which is also a victor, a champion, and an overcomer. I want to thank you. And just before I end this video, I want to give you 7 more traits of a survivor. The first one, a survivor is compassionate because they know the difficulties and the stress that we all experience in this world. They have compassion for others and themselves. That's a survivor. The third trait of a survivor is you have people skills. You have the ability to connect with anyone on any level, personal and professional. The fourth trait of a survivor is you have excellent communication skills. You're able to communicate with others based on the knowledge that you have learned and you know how to apply it. The fifth trait to being a survivor is being able or having the ability to control your anger especially in today's climate that we live in as a Black people. We have to learn to control our anger so that we don't retaliate in such a way that it will bring harm to ourselves, our family, our children, and our homes, our property, whatever. Being a survivor takes hella skills to not go out and put a because of the oppressor who continuously put their foot on our necks. That takes some skills. That takes being a survivor. The sixth trait of a survivor is love. You're able to show unconditional love not only to yourself but to others because you know the struggles that we face in this world. Last but not least, the seventh trait of a survivor is you finish what you started. Whatever ideas, desires, or goals that you placed in your heart and mind, it would not be wasted. You will make sure that you would execute it. You will make sure that you will do whatever it takes to accomplish that goal. In the words of Destiny Child, when they sang the song, I'm a Survivor, they said, as Black people are naturally and innately are survivors and victors because they have tried to kill us off by genocide all over the world. But yet we're still here surviving, and we're still here remaining in our positions as victors. Keep your head up, stay strong, and keep flexing, because I'm flexing all the time. I flex because I am a survivor and I'm also a victor, and I live my life victoriously. So in case you didn't know, sis or bro, I don't know by your name, I don't know if you're a male or female, but just in case you didn't know, a survivor is a victor. It's a champion and a hero. So guess what? It's not how you start your race, it's how you finish. You continue on surviving. You continue on being the champion that you are. You continue to be victorious because you're not a victim. You are a victorious man or woman, whoever you are out there. See you until next time. Thank you.